Halloween is one of my favorite times of year to use my Blackstone. This year we're going sweet and simple, really simple, with a quick little spooky skeleton donut made in the Blackstone air fryer. Perfect for me to do with the kids. They can do these themselves. So before we jump into it, be sure to go to that Blackstone Products YouTube channel. You know the deal. Subscribe and click the bell and invite your friends to do the same. Now let's get to making some cute little skeleton donuts for Halloween. When it comes to cooking with the Blackstone, whether it is on the griddle top or in the Blackstone air fryer, I love doing things around the holidays where the kids can really get their hands in on helping. So this recipe is silly easy, perfect for anyone with little kiddos. It starts out with the Pillsbury Grand Flaky Biscuits. You can use the regular ones, but I love the flakiness of these and the way that you can just pull apart the layers. We'll open up our can of biscuits and spread these out onto our cutting board. Now with a rolling pin or a cup, just gently roll these out just to slightly flatten them. Now with either a very small cookie cutter or you can just use your hands, we'll cut out 2 circles for our eyes and 1 for our mouth, and then just simply stretch these out to make them turn into a little spooky skeleton. My kids love doing this part. It is so fun for them. You can get crazy with different kinds of shapes. If you wanted to, you could also use a sharp knife to cut out those holes. Once you have all of your donuts cut out, we have our Blackstone air fryers already preheated between 350 and 375. I also have each drawer lined with the pre-cut parchment paper squares from Blackstone. This not only helps with a quick cleanup, but it also helps to ensure that my donuts will not stick. We'll place our donuts into the air fryer drawers and let them cook anywhere between 5 and 8 minutes. Depending on the exact temperature and how thick your biscuits are, you'll just want to continue to check them every couple minutes until they are the perfect golden brown to your liking. As soon as they come out, we're gonna use our Blackstone shaker, which I always have my powdered sugar in for all of the different sweet treats off the Blackstone. Give each donut a heavy dusting and they instantly become little white spooky skeleton donuts. We saw this recipe online and just knew we had to try it. And this mom is down for trying anything that is quick, easy, and that my kids can help make. You could also zhuzh these up and go crazy, adding some spooky blood with a little jelly donut filling, or you can use the Halloween colored frosting with those cute little sprinkles and jimmies all over these. No matter what you're making for Halloween, I hope it's something cute and spooky and that you take a picture of it and share it onto social media, tagging Blackstone Products and tag Blackstone Betty. I cannot wait to see what you come up with. Last year was a fun recipe for me. We made some spooky pumpkin buffalo chicken meatballs, which just flew off the plate. So I figured I had to go sweet for this year. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Now go make something for Halloween, nice and spooky. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. Don't forget to go to the Blackstone Products YouTube channel, subscribe, and click that bell. Take a visit over to the Blackstone Teespring store where you can pick up a warm hoodie to keep you warm. Enjoy your Halloween. I will see you guys in the next video.